Math Module 4, Lesson 1. I can measure and compare pencil lengths to the nearest half, fourth, and eighth of an inch, and analyze the data through line plots. Make sure everything I do in the video, you're doing in your workbook. The following line plot shows the growth of 10 bean plants on their second week after sprouting. So the title of my line plot is Bean Growth in Inches during week 2. And I have 0, 1, 2, 3 inches, and each X is a different plant. So let's just make sure I have 10 X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So letter A, which I know I didn't put, so we're going to add it right now. What was the measurement of the shortest plant? So when I look at my line plot, I'm going to find the shortest inch, which looks to be right here. So what was the measurement right there? Well, I know it's going to be 1 inch, but what's that fraction? So if I look, I can see that this is going to be 1 1/4. 1 1/2, which is also 1 2/4. We like 1/2 much better. And so that must be 1 3/4, and this must be 1 4/4, also known as 8/4, or 2. So it's 1 3/4. So those lengths that are like right there, see how it's 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sections? So those are my fourths, because between 1 and 2 I have 4 equal pieces. And then I must have my unit to get full credit. Part B, how many plants measure? And we're going to add the number 2.5 inches. So what we have to do is we have to look at our line plot. We need to find 2.5. Well, 2.5 is going to be between 2 and 3, which would be right there. Let's label it. So how many plants are there? How many X's are above 2.5? The answer is 2 plants. Yes, you must have plants because that's my unit. Letter C, what is the measure of the tallest plant? Well, the tallest plant is going to be closest to the right end. So that's going to be this plant. So it's 1 spot away from 3 inches. So I know it's going to be 2 inches and some fraction. So it's the smaller piece. So let's count how many of those smaller pieces there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 1 away. So it must be 2 7/8 inches. That's an 8. It doesn't look like it, but it does. And yes, you must have inches in order to receive credit because that's our unit. Now, letter D, I caught myself that time. What is the difference between the longest and the shortest measurement? So we know our longest, which is 2 7/8, minus, what was my shortest? Oh, we had that. So that's letter A, which was 1 3/4. So in order to solve this, I need to get a common denominator. So I'm going to solve this on another, or over here. So I'm going to have to get a common denominator. So I know it's going to be 2 7/8 because I want to keep that. Not plus, goodness gracious. Minus 1. So I want it to be 8ths. So 4 times 2 is 8. So 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 minus 6, my numerator, 7 minus 6 is 1, and my denominator stays the same. So 1 1/8 inches is my difference between the longest and the shortest measurement. Make sure you showed all your work